Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your pharmacy assistant. On this occasion, we will talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, how are you? In this video, I'm going to talk about ALEVIAN DUO, a medication that contains pinaverium and simethicone. Let's get started. ALEVIAN DUO is a useful tool for those who suffer from digestive problems like irritable bowel syndrome, intestinal cramps, and bloating. If you feel stomach pain, cramps, or that uncomfortable feeling of being bloated, this medicine can help. But how does ALEVIAN DUO work? Well, it has two main components. Pinaverium, it acts like a muscle relaxant for your gut, calming cramps and pain. Simethicone. This helps eliminate the gases that cause that feeling of bloating. You'll feel much better. To take ALEVIAN DUO correctly, the most important thing is to follow your doctor's instructions closely. Normally, the dose is usually 1 capsule twice a day, preferably before meals. Depending on how you react to the treatment, the dose may vary. Like any medication, ALEVIAN DUO can have some side effects. The most common are headaches, dizziness, and upset stomach. If you notice any strange reaction or anything that worries you, do not hesitate to consult your doctor immediately. One important point, do not take ALEVIAN DUO if you are allergic to any of its ingredients. Also, be careful if you have any other medical conditions. Tell your doctor so they can guide you. In short, ALEVIAN DUO can be a great help in relieving your digestive problems. Remember to follow your doctor's instructions and watch for any side effects. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and see you in the next one.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.